Back in the house with Chris Potts, President and CEO of Frank H. Duffy Floors. And here's the hard question for you, Chris. Why should I choose Frank H. Duffy Incorporated?
Well, that's a great question, Ken. There's a lot of hardwood flooring companies out there, a lot of fly-by-nights, a lot of guys that have been there and then they go belly up and you can't find them. Well, I'll tell you, with Duffy Floors, you've got the expertise and the knowledge of 3 generations. I grew up with my grandfather and my uncle in this business, and I've used their information, their wealth of knowledge in the hardwood flooring industry to educate myself on it. And I like to educate all of my customers, because my customers that are educated about wood floors are the best customers I can have, because they know what a bad job is. Unfortunately, some of my customers have had a bad job and had a bad experience with the company. That's when Duffy Floors will step in, and we like to fix things, like to make them right. But we do things right the first time. We have a standard process that we use to get the floors sanded very smooth and fine. We pay attention to the details. We use Duraseal stains, which are a great stain. They've got great sealing qualities, and they really penetrate deep into the wood to bring out the inner beauty of each board. Our finishes are very, some will say that they are expensive, but they last. I do not thin out my urethanes. I do not use sealers or anything that's quick drying. It's all slow drying, so it penetrates deep into the wood fibers and then hardens. And we use the same product for each coat, so we get a good chemical bond and as well as a mechanical bond where we're buffing it down in between each coat. So we don't take any shortcuts. We do things by the book, how I was brought up doing them with my grandfather and my uncle. And I'll tell you that we ensure that every customer is satisfied. We strive for perfection, bringing out the inner beauty and the character of each board that you walk on. So please call us and we'll make your floors one of the best in Boston.
Okay, that's excellent.
Hey, this is Chris Potts, President and the CEO of Frank H. Duffy Incorporated, Duffy Floors, signing out for now. Thank you.